Port forwarding is a feature used in computer networking that allows traffic to pass through a network router from one network to another. In simpler terms, it's like having a receptionist directing guests to different rooms in a hotel. When you use port forwarding, you are essentially telling your router to direct incoming traffic on a specific port to a designated device on your network. Imagine you are hosting a party at your house, and guests need to enter through the front door. Port forwarding is like setting up a sign that tells guests to enter through the front door and not the back door or any other entrance. So when should you use port forwarding? Well, let's say you have a security camera at home that you want to access remotely. By setting up port forwarding on your router, you can ensure that when you try to connect to your camera from outside your home network, the incoming traffic is properly directed to the camera, allowing you to view the live feed. Similarly, if you are hosting a multiplayer game server on your computer and want your friends to be able to connect to it from outside your local network, port forwarding comes into play by configuring your router to forward the game server's port to your computer. Your friends can join the game seamlessly. In essence, port forwarding is useful whenever you need to access a service or device on your home network from the outside world. Whether it's accessing a security camera, setting up a web server, hosting a game server, or any other scenario where external devices or services need to communicate with your local network, port forwarding is the solution. Just like setting up directions for guests to reach the right room at a party, port forwarding ensures that incoming traffic reaches the correct device or service on your network. It's a handy tool that enables efficient communication between internal and external devices in a networked environment. So, next time you need to access a device on your home network from afar, remember to consider using port forwarding to make the connection seamless and secure. If you need help with port forwarding, contact Omaha Computing Solutions. Their trained technicians can come out and set up your network easily.